He didn't deny, he didn't dodge. All he asked for was to come to court to tell the truth. But this is how the system responds.
Right, okay. Right then.
Fine,
You've had sufficient opportunity to do that.
I'll go to court and do that, it's not a problem.
So I'm going to leave you with a letter. Okay. So no more notice.
I don't wish to receive that.
So I'm going to post it to your letterbox.
That's fine. So all I ask is just that I just want to be able to go to court and just say my bit. Is that not fair? Is that not reasonable?
You've had the opportunity to dispute it anyway, so you're disputing the fines, is that what you're saying?
I'm saying I know nothing about it, so I just want an opportunity to go to court and just say my...
You've had letters from the council, you've had letters from us. You just ignored them, haven't you? What happened? It's the way you ignored them. It's like you're seeing it, you didn't do anything about it, you didn't ring me.
I'm here.
Yeah, but you didn't ring me, you didn't contact me. You didn't ring
well,
me.
I should have been in work today. I specifically took note that you were going to be coming back, and I'm here to speak to you face to face.
You didn't have to take the time off work, you could have just rang me.
No, I want to resolve this. I'm not running from it. I want to resolve it. That's why I'm speaking to you as a man face to face.
A citizen was forced to go to his house to demand money, without a court appearance, without papers, without evidence. He did not hide. He only wanted one thing: give me the opportunity to go to court and tell the truth. But what happens when that civil right is also denied? Watch this video carefully, because this is not just a personal matter. This is about all of us.
I can get to Mr. Welch, please. Right, it's Mr. Elias from Jacob Enforcement. For a reference, can I give you a reference? I'm from Jacob Enforcement, so you can't do that now. So if I was going to speak to Mr. Wilkes, would you say the same thing? I've got this number from Mr. Wilkes, so I wouldn't. Well, would he be able to provide the information then? No, but would Mr. Wilkes, would he be able to? Would Mr. Wilkes, would he be able to?
The video opens with a non-transparent approach. The man claims to be an enforcement officer, but does not provide a name, authority, or any specific documents. People simply ask, "Who are you? What should I do?" A perfectly legitimate question, but one that is not clearly answered.
Right, okay. What's your name, sir? Alicia. Okay, in traffic council, yeah. Alright, thanks so much. Cheers, bye. No, it's fine, no, it's not so late. Okay, thanks, bye. The chap at Road Traffic Council and his picture's not in, but like I said, you've got outstanding bonds that needs to be paid. So
Okay. Yeah, just leave me some paperwork. What's your name again, sorry?
Mr. Elias from Jacob's Enforcement.
Yeah. I just need some... What's your first name?
Kasim.
Kasim. Yeah, I just need some paperwork. I don't know anything about it. I need...
So the letters that we sent you on the 20th, and then we sent you a letter on the 30th, you haven't received them, you don't know anything about them?
No.
Have you received them?
I've not received them, no.
The letter I left yesterday.
I seen something yesterday, yeah. But the previous ones, yeah. But I don't know anything about it, so I was waiting for you to come here so I could speak to you.
There was no specific order to present, no evidence of violation, no court summons. People asked to see the documents, but were met with evasion. What kind of coercive action is this if it lacks the minimum legality?
Face to face.
Right, okay.
You know, so I'm here today.
So now we're doing that, so what is it that you want to discuss?
I just proof of the claim. I just need documented evidence of whatever the claim is, and I'll look into it. Is that okay?
It is okay, but I've got a court order to execute a court order. The balance is paid now, if not, then I'm going to call a removal team.
A court. Let's have a look at the court order.
Warrant of control. The court has given us authority to the above named applicant to issue the warrant to recover the sum of shown.
Okay, let's have a look. This is a court order.
A warrant of control.
Has it gone through a court?
Of course it has, yeah.
Sorry?
Yes, it has, yes. It's a warrant of control.
So you're saying on camera it's gone through the court. What
it's a
court?
warrant of control.
What court did it? Did it go through?
It's explained on the letter there.
What court did it go
It's
through?
on the letter here.
Oh, sorry.
Does it there?
County court. So, oh, is this the bulking centre?
I don't know which one it is, but it's gone through.
Yeah, this is the bulking centre in Nottingham.
Right, okay.
So I didn't actually go to court, so
No.
that's why I don't know anything about
It still
it.
doesn't make you liable for the fines, it?
Well, it does, because the process, how I understand it, is that you would get a summons. You would go to court, so a representative from the council will go to court. I would be in court. He would.
The executor said there was a property control order, but could not identify which court, which hearing it was from. The people asserted that they had never been to court, had never received a summons. If true, this is a serious violation of every citizen's right to a fair trial.
Present his evidence that I was driving that vehicle at that time, or in use of that vehicle at that time, on that date. And then I would be able to...
It's the parking offence where you don't pay the ticket. So it's not there, Lacey Street car park. I presume there's probably a ticket you're not paid for to run over. That's what it would be.
but I don't know anything about it, so...
You're okay, you don't know anything about it, but you're saying you wasn't in use of the vehicle. Is the vehicle registered in your name?
Yeah.
Yeah, so therefore you're the legal occupier of the vehicle. You're legally responsible for that vehicle. So if someone else has been driving that vehicle, do you know what I mean? You're still responsible for it.
Okay, so...
Okay, so basically, because it's in your name, when a fine goes through and they run the DVLA checks, obviously it'll come back to you.
Yeah.
So the first port of call will come to.
Yeah.
So if you weren't the person that's driving, it's your responsibility to provide the detail of the person that was driving the vehicle at the time.
Yeah.
Or use of the vehicle.
Yeah, I can...
But if not, then
Yeah.
if you can't provide that, then you're liable. You know,
So-
you're liable. At this moment in time, you're liable for fines.
So how do you know I can't produce that?
You can provide proof, that exact date and time.
Yeah?
Right, okay. Right then.
Fine,
You've had
well-
sufficient opportunity to do that.
I'll go to court and do that, it's not a
So
problem.
I'm going to leave you with
The enforcement side asserted, the car is in your name, you are responsible. But the people clearly argued, I know nothing about this and have never received any feedback or self-defense. At this point, the question is, where is the accused's right to present?
the letter. Okay, so we'll move on the list.
I don't wish to receive that.
So I'm going to post it to your letterbox.
That's fine. So all I ask is just that I just want to be able to go to court and just say my bit. Is that not fair? Is that not reasonable?
You've had the opportunity to dispute it anyway, so you're disputing the fines, is what you're saying?
I'm saying I know nothing about it, so
You've sent the letters.
I just want an opportunity to go to court and just say
You've sent your letters.
my...
though. You've had letters from the council, you've had letters from us. You just didn't ignore them, weren't you? What happened? It's the way you've done around yesterday. You're seeing it, you didn't do anything about it, you didn't ring me.
I'm here.
Yeah, but you didn't ring me. You didn't
Yeah.
contact me. You didn't ring
Well,
me.
I stayed... I should have been in work today. I specifically
Right.
took note that you were going to be coming back, and I'm here to speak to you face to
You didn't have
face.
to take the time off work. You could have just rang me.
No, I want to resolve this. I'm not running from it. I want to resolve it. That's why I'm speaking to you as a man, face to face with you, and I'm just stating, my situation.
Okay.
Now, I don't mind going to court if they've got evidence to prove their claim. I would like to go to court and have my fair opportunity.
You have to seek legal independent rights, aren't you? So at the moment in time, you're liable. So, but you've had plenty
Well,
of time to do
let a judge be the judge of that, whether I'm liable or not you or them.
Well, you are, though. How's the judge going to say anything different, though?
Let the judge do that.
It's already been through to court. How is he going to say anything different, though?
It's not been to court.
It has. Right, okay, listen. If the vehicle's in your name, yeah? Okay. If the vehicle's in your name, right? You're liable for whatever.
I'm going around in circles, mate.
You are, aren't you? Do you agree with me or not?
I don't agree with anything you're saying right now, because I just want a fair day in court. Can you not just go back to...
This man did not avoid it. He took time off work to meet the enforcement officer directly. He said clearly, I am not hiding. I want to go to court. I want to tell the truth to the judge. But what he got in return, only silence and avoidance from the law enforcement. Is it reasonable for a citizen to be willing to cooperate but not be heard?
Whoever, and just tell them that I'm willing and able to go to court. That's all I'm requesting. Is that not fair?
If you want to take it to court, you take it to court. That's up to you. You have to take.
I'm not making a claim.
What do you mean making a claim?
I'm not making a claim of anything. Whoever's coming to me wanting money off me for alleged offences, then please, I need to go to court so that they can present their evidence in front of a judge, and I can defend that. That's how it works.
There will be evidence. Obviously, otherwise, it wouldn't be able to be.
The first thing I asked you was just give me proof of the claim. Just show me evidence.
Okay.
That's what I asked.
I'll try bringing the counsel. Obviously, I haven't got, the person I need to speak to isn't in today, so I'll leave it at that, and obviously I'll leave it there for you.
That's fine. I mean,
Like I say,
by all means, you can, phone me, or do you have my number?
I don't have your number, no.
Yeah, I can give you a number, and when you get the evidence, phone me, and I'll meet with you again. No problem.
But you've got my details there anyway. So what you want to do? I thought you were going to look into it.
Yeah, well, I need evidence. I need proof of the claim so I can look
into
into
legal
it.
advice and see how you can look into it.
I just need proof. I need, video footage.
You're denying all knowledge of all these offences.
When asked for money, he didn't get angry. He asked only one thing. If you have evidence, show it to me. If not, don't ask me for money. And the truth is, no one has produced any evidence. No court order, no video, no documentation. So are they following the law, or are they exploiting the law?
What are you saying?
I'm not saying anything.
You are not.
I'm saying
you need proof. So,
I need proof.
So
that's all I'm saying.
Means that you're denying the knowledge.
I say I know nothing about them, so I just need proof.
You're denying knowledge.
Okay.
We're going to go around in circles.
Yeah. Okay.
No worries.
Lovely.
Take it easy.
Have a great day.
You too.
Yeah.
In a democratic society, people are not obliged to blindly obey. They have the right to dissent, to a fair trial, and to be protected. But when the legal representatives themselves ignore these rights, who really needs to be questioned? What do you think about this situation? Was this citizen right to ask for a trial? Leave a comment below. Like if you support the right to a fair trial, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to continue watching videos exposing abuses of power. See you in the next video.